Good morning, class. I am Daisy the Duck, and I'm so ready to learn more about math today. I live on a farm, and I have a few of my farm friends here with me today. You will get to meet them later on. Have any of you ever heard of a sequence? If you haven't, I am so glad you are here so that I can fill you in on exactly what a sequence is and the type we are going to talk about. You might ask, the type? Yes, the type. There are different types of sequences, but we will focus on just one of them today. Today's lesson is over arithmetic sequences. I am sure some of you have many questions. So do I. I am a duck. What exactly is an arithmetic sequence? How do I know if it is an arithmetic sequence? And what exactly does this type of sequence determine? Here we go, farm friends. Let's dig into this definition and figure out exactly what it means. Okay, so what is this thing we are talking about? Oh yeah, it's a sequence. Another word we can use for sequence is pattern. What exactly does pattern mean? It means something is the same in the group of numbers in which we can group them together. It's what makes them similar. This is where the common difference comes into play in an arithmetic sequence. In an arithmetic sequence, the difference between the previous term and the next term has to be the same. What does this whole title mean? Why do we call it an arithmetic sequence? The meaning of the word arithmetic is the branch of mathematics dealing with the properties and manipulation of numbers. So the property of this sequence is the common difference. When we talk about different arithmetic sequence, it determines, and we should already know that it has a common difference when it jumps from term to term. What is the one thing that we've been talking about that is common, hint, hint, in each of these slides? There is only one rule that is on the tip of my tongue that we must know for an arithmetic sequence. Can you guys help me? Any of you? Remember, I'm just a duck, and you guys are much smarter than me. I think I just heard it. Yes, the only rule in this type of sequence is having a common difference. Y'all are so smart. Before y'all go on to meet the rest of my farm friends, let's wrap up all the parts from this definition that we have just learned. I will read it once, and then we'll repeat it together. An arithmetic sequence is one in which the same number is added or subtracted from each term to get to the next term in the sequence. Now together. An arithmetic sequence is one in which the same number is added or subtracted